Neutron Controls is a preferred design house for Infineon's AURIX microcontroller that has created a platform to accelerate your automotive project, as well as provide custom hardware and software to global OEMs. The REDLINE platform permits a customer to replicate the onboard performance of an AURIX in their target system while providing full access to all available inputs and outputs. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the Neutron Controls REDLINE Kit to interface with the Infineon AURIX microcontroller. Within the kit, there's the carrier board, which supports different AURIX MCU modules, a power module, a power supply, a USB that contains all necessary documentation. There's also the DAT mini wiggler to allow for debugging, and the TTYL to USB cable for a serial command line interface to the MCU module. We will start by connecting the power module onto the carrier board using the appropriate port. As you can see, there are multiple different connection ports that allow for different modules to be connected onto the carrier board. Some of these modules include an Ethernet module, different communication boards, analog and digital input and output modules, a radar module, and motor control boards. More information about these modules can be found on the Neutron Controls website at neutroncontrols.com. The next step is to connect the DAT mini wiggler to allow for debugging, and the TTYL to USB cable for a serial command line interface to the MCU module. Then, connect these USB ports in your computer. To power up the board, use a 12-volt power supply provided with your kit. The LEDs indicate that the system is powered up. As soon as the system has power, initial configuration information is displayed on the command line. You can see that this configuration is set up with the carrier board, the 297 module, and the power module. Typing help or -H will show commands that are available. Some examples include core to display more specific options such as reset and get for platform information, I2C to read and write to the I2C bus, and SMU to access the safety functions options such as setting up and clearing the alarms.